If you're seeing the Microsoft Word error reference not found, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Word can't update a cross-reference, a caption, a bookmark, or another linked field in your document. The good news is that in many cases, it's a simple fix, and you may be able to restore everything in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more useful Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, if you just saw the error after making a recent change, try pressing Ctrl+Z right away. This can undo the last action and restore the previous text before the reference broke. Sometimes the issue starts because a line, heading, or field was edited or deleted accidentally, so undoing that change can instantly bring the document back to normal. Next, if undoing doesn't solve it, the error may just be a temporary glitch in Word's field system. To refresh everything in the document, press Ctrl+A to select the entire file. This highlights all of the content at once, including references and fields. Then press F9 to update all links and refresh the document. Word will recalculate the fields and try to rebuild any broken references automatically. If the document still shows the same error after refreshing, some fields may be locked. That means Word is preventing them from updating properly. To fix that, press Ctrl+Shift+F11. This unlocks the fields in the document so they can be updated again. After that, press F9 once more to refresh the references and see if the error disappears. If the reference still isn't found, you may need to check whether the original bookmark, heading, or caption was removed or renamed. A reference can only work if the source still exists, so if Word is pointing to something that no longer matches, you'll need to restore or recreate that target before updating the field again. It also helps to zoom in on the exact location of the error message and look for the affected reference in your text. If it's a cross-reference, make sure the linked heading or numbered item still exists. If it's a bookmark, confirm that the bookmark section is still there. And if you recently copied content from another document, Word may have brought over a broken link that needs to be refreshed manually. Once you've done those steps, save the document and check it again carefully. In many cases, the combination of undoing recent changes, selecting the full document, refreshing with F9, and unlocking fields will fix the reference not found error completely. So to recap, if Microsoft Word says reference not found, start with Ctrl+Z, then use Ctrl+A and F9 to refresh all fields, and if needed, use Ctrl+Shift+F11 to unlock them before updating again. These simple steps solve the problem in most documents without needing any advanced repair. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word fixes, productivity tips, and step-by-step computer guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.